Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to pre-market report. I've been saying pre-market report sponsored by, but from Monday we will start sponsorship. Let us look at the US markets. US markets were falling continuously for 5 days. So yesterday that continuous falling was broken. And now markets are caught between China removing the restriction, COVID restriction. So means reopening of China. So reopening of China is a positive news. Recession worries in US is a negative news. So the markets are caught between positive and negative. So that is why the US markets were falling continuously. So yesterday some jobs data came, so that was slightly favorable. Unemployment data, I think markets moved higher. But although they did not move significantly higher, but at least people are happy that it stopped falling, and because the previous 5 days continuous fall. Asian markets are higher just because of US markets, and SGX Nifty indicating about 70-80 point gap up. And if you can remember, yesterday I mentioned we need a positive global cues for us to move higher. When US markets falling continuously, there is no way we can move higher. Yesterday, state election results came. So, election results were much better than expected. Number one, it was a very big clean sweep in Gujarat. And Himachal Pradesh Congress swept the polls very clearly. So, if it is 50-50, there would have been a talk of horse trading and this and that. So, there is no chance for that. And also, it's proved that India is a true democratic country. Delhi going in Aam Aadmi Party way, Himachal Pradesh going Congress way, Gujarat going BJP way. Right. But despite all these things, the Nifty was just only up by 40-50 point, but now it is showing 70-80 point gap up. So that's because yesterday the global cues was not on our side, and now the global cues is on our side. Coming to stock specific, PSU Bank Index, there's no doubt. Just 3 weeks before, I recommended, I said, I came out with a video, PSU banks are looking very, very strong, and but they are all doing extremely well. And I still feel that they have a lot more steam to move higher in case if our market continue to move higher. Looking at the open interest, I think we have discussed yesterday itself. So we are like 18,000 put option is having the highest open interest in monthly option. 19,000 is going to be a stiff resistance. So 18,000 to 19,000 is the range for this month, 18,500 to 19,000 for coming week. So we had 5 weeks in the month of December. Out of 5 weeks, 2 weeks completed, and we are getting into the third week, and the third week is going to be, I would say, most important. Why? There are a lot of data are due. Today also there is some inflation data is there, and Monday consumer price inflation data is there in US, and Wednesday most importantly Fed meeting. But I think this time Fed meeting, I think it has been factored in. Fed meeting, Fed is likely to raise interest rate by 50 basis point, and going forward they might even reduce further, maybe 25 basis point. So although they are going to increase, but now the people come to the terms that it may be we are coming nearer to the end of the rate hiking cycle. So that's why even after our RBI policy also, markets did not fall. In fact, Bank Nifty has shot up so much after the RBI policy. So today, few stocks which are to be in focus: HDFC Bank. So these two had the highest delivery percentage yesterday. So that shows that a lot of cash market buying is happening. And the huge open interest addition, it has happened in Bank of Baroda, Axis Bank and Bank Nifty also. So these are the stocks and indices at the highest open interest increase. So price goes up, open interest increases, so that means it is a bullish sign. The price goes down, open interest increases, that is a bearish sign. So Bank of Baroda and Axis Bank are the two banking stocks to watch today. So overall, we have to see it is in between. For the last few days I had a view that Bank Nifty may not go higher, but the IT stocks may go higher. But that view has gone wrong. Now clearly, once again the Bank Nifty is only going higher and IT stocks are not moving. So if US market stabilizes, if our IT stocks start moving, so that is when we can reach 19,000. So I still feel that at least once before the end of this month expiry, we will see 19,000 in the spot. So that is a thing. Some banks, like Punjab National Banks, so they all run up too much. So yesterday, though price went up, open interest has come down. So that means the people are winding up their long position. So if you want to take long position, so better be careful on the stock where the open interest is falling. Right. So Reliance, so once again, it has taken back seat. So in fact, I told you, Reliance Industries, the next leg of the rally will start only if it crosses 2,800. It has been range bound between 2,200 and 2,800 for more than a year. Reliance is such a stock, it always behaves like that. It consolidates for multi-year, then give a breakout, then gives a very good return. So once again, the stocks to look is Adani group of stocks, and maybe I will come out with a video this month, what position I had, okay, and how much profit I made. So yesterday my MTM profit was about 30 lakh rupees. Out of that, 10 lakh has come only from Adani group stocks. So I'm planning to set aside some big fund only for trading in Adani stocks in order to buy my private jet. Okay, but that may not happen now because nowadays I'm just moving, except this Adani enterprise. In all other cases, I'm moving to the low risk thing, so nowadays I'm not interested in taking high risk. So I'm just moving towards a low risk and managing huge sum of money. So I've come to Dubai to negotiate with some foreign institutional investors to manage money on their behalf. So now my whole business model is changing from high ROI with a low capital to low ROI with high capital. So let us hope things all go well. Next year will be an exciting year for me if that happens. So few stocks, they are still under trading ban. BHEL, I had a lot of position that also came under trading ban, but luckily, it shot up 8-9% one day, then it has come out of trading ban. So my losses are recovering and I'm making profit now. So GNFC, India Bull Housing Finance are the only two stocks in trading ban today. So Punjab National Bank has also come out of the trading ban. So overall, now markets start, but as I told you, I'm not a big fan of gap up. With FIAs continuously and relentlessly selling, so there will always be an opportunity. So yesterday I told you one can consider taking long position as in when it goes to 18,500 to 550 range, keeping 18,500 as a stop loss. So that seems to have worked. So in my case, I just sell put options. So that's what I did, because I've already sold huge amount of put options. So I'm just carrying them. So yesterday, in fact, I started reducing my put option because like volatility index was down. So because of that, the premium has come down. Market was also slightly higher. So once again, I'm talking about spot, not the future. The spot may be trading between 18,550 and 18,750 today, and with a bank nifty may be having even more positive bias. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.